Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got another ride-along video. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded. I'm trying to get caught up, and hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll be able to release quite a few videos. But enough about that, let's get right into it. So these two go together like that.
Okay.
And you want to make sure that that's centered because they can get stuck like that.
Like this?
Yep. Like shove it all the way in. There you go. you know the routine.
I didn't say it.
You don't have to turn.
No,
turn
how's it?
Yeah,
it's not going.
It's in. Yeah.
It is? Oh, okay.
And now bring these ones up, and these go on each side.
Okay.
There's always this one that we could always put on, but I absolutely.
Oh my god.
I absolutely hate that one.
Yeah, I can see why guys might not like that one.
I can understand why women don't like that one either.
I wouldn't bother us as much. You guys might have more of an issue with that.
Yes. I always do that right there because you get the really big like ah! So I got all the gauges I care about. Oil pressure, temperature, and air fuel. Everything else doesn't matter.
Okay, I was gonna say we're speed, but...
Oh, that's not speed.
What is that?
That's tachometer. That tells me how many RPMs. And ever since I did an upgrade, which is all this extra wire behind here, which is just a fucking clusterfuck. This one doesn't work, but I just got it today. A brand new one with a shift lights. I can set it at an RPM and it flashes a light when I need to shift.
Oh my gosh.
But we are safe. This is a chromoly roll bar.
I believe you.
And it's strapped, it's welded to the frame. We're strapped to it. When I get it painted, and I have the entire dash and everything, I just need to put it in the car. I got a complete car. There's only certain parts of a complete car you need. So watch, if I put some punch in. Charging a lot, and I had a lot of other shit to do. And
right.
I didn't do it.
You always have a lot of shit to do, apparently.
I still have my belt.
Your belt?
The belt that I was afraid of popping off.
God.
It's still on there.
Oh my gosh, good.
Alright. Now we're gonna leave some more black stripies. From A to B, and just the only difference is it goes vroom vroom.
Slowly. Mine goes from A to B slowly.
Well, I hope you liked that video. As you know, this is one of my favorite videos to do. Anyways, as you can tell by the 67 on the Vette, it was out racing. I got to do a video about that. We did some off-roading, not with the Vette, obviously, right? All right. We did some off-roading, and I got to do a video on that. We got some videos coming up. I just need the time, and I should be grinding through that in the next week or two. Anyways, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave them down below, and as always, have a nice day, and we'll catch you on the next one.